Welcome students. Last time we practiced extra examples of Pythagoras theorem. Exercise 6.5 we solved, right? Now we are taking some examples from option. In CBSE NCERT textbook, after every chapter, optional examples given. These books are too old, so that heading optional is not to be taken as a separate. So these examples also are asked in exams nowadays, right? Because standard and basic maths two papers are made. So that last option exercise is also the part of the chapter. So we are taking some extra examples from this exercise. See, look here, first example I am taking PS is bisector of QPR. Okay, so that QS upon SR equal to PQ upon PR. Okay, we are trying to show QS upon SR equal to PQ upon PR. Now, in this example, some construction is there. See, if we produce QP to T, if we produce QP to T, so that RT is parallel to PS, right? So write down, see, okay, we are going to draw this diagram, produce, writing now, construction. Okay, produce QP to T, so that RT parallel PS. Okay, now see, we will take triangle, complete PRT. A triangle PRT, QRT, not P. In triangle QRT, PS parallel RT, right? Therefore, you can write QS upon SR equal to QP upon PT. In any triangle, line is parallel to one side, it bisects the other two sides in the same ratio. Yes or no? Now we got it. What is support that theorem? Basic proportionality theorem, BPT. Okay. Now students see number one. We will take this, right? Now let us come to diagram. Look here. All of you. Angle 1 equal to angle 3 G1. Yes or PS bisects angle QPR. Right? Now again angle 1 equal to angle 2 because PS parallel PR. So angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay. Now just look here. Be careful. Right? Again, if I take PS and RT, QT is transversal. PS and RT, QT is transversal, so angle 3 equal to angle 4. Corresponding angles. Yes or again, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Corresponding angles. Because PS parallel RT and QT is transversal. Like this. This angle equal to this angle. This angle equal to this angle. Yes or no? See students, we have to just see properly, locate properly. Okay. So all these properties of parallel lines, triangles, BPTs, okay, you must know. Now therefore we got it. See, from this we got 3 equal to 4, 3 equal to 1, therefore 3 equal to 1. Yes or no? Got it? And if 3 equal to 1, that is already given, bisect. So angle 3 equal to 4 corresponding. And now we say 1 equal to 2. If 3 equal to 4 and 3 equal to 1, so 1 equal to 2 given, and therefore 2 equal to 4. 1 3 equal, 1 3 equal, so 1 equal to 2, 3 equal to 4, therefore 2 equal to 4. This implies angle 2 equal to angle 4. And if angle 2 equal to angle 4, so in this triangle TPR, these 2 and 4 are base angles, and sides opposite to equal base angles are equal. Yes or no? So this implies that PT equal to PR. Sides opposite to equal angles. Sides opposite to equal angles. Now number 2. Now we will put PR in place of PT. Use 2 in 1. Use 2 in 1. Therefore CQS upon SR equal to QP upon PR. Hence, we got this. Right? The important part of this example is this concept. And unless you practice such examples 2-3 times, very difficult to think. Such examples are coming for 4 marks. In board. Okay? Be prepared. Now we will take example 3. See, example will take 1, 4, 6, 2. Will take. Right? Very simple, very simple. Look, students, all of you, I hope now you understood this. Let's see this. We wrote construction properly. Understand this. BPT. Then all angles made by transversal. We got it. Very simple. Important part is construction. And with the BPT, you are getting 2 marks. Then further 2 marks. Then 4 marks. 4. Right? Now see. We will take this example. AD is median. AD is median of triangle ABC. AM perpendicular BC. Okay. Now prove number 1. AC square equal to AD. We are starting now. See. First part. AC square equal to AD square plus BC dot BM plus BC square upon 2. BC upon 2 bracket square. Now look, very simple. In this diagram, AC, where is AC? AC. So in triangle ANC. In triangle ANC. In triangle ANC. Angle M equal to 90 degree. Write down AC square equal to M square plus MC square. And MC is MD plus BC. So AC square equal to M square plus bracket MD plus BC bracket square. Very simple. Open. Yes. M square equal to AC square equal to M square plus open this bracket MD square plus BC square plus 2 times MD BC. See, look here now. All of you. m square and md square. See, m square, md square. In triangle AMD, m square plus md square equal to AD square. So we are adding this now. AD square plus now DC. See, DC is half of DC because this is frequent. Okay. See, DC is half of BC, so BC upon 2 bracket square. BC upon 2 bracket square. Now again look here, 2 times DC. 2 times DC. 2 times DC is BC. So I am writing plus BC multiplied by MD. In bracket you can write support. You can write support. BC upon 2. Okay. And also therefore 2 times BC is BC. Given to you. What is next first part is over. Right? Now I am writing this number 1. We give support. This is hence rule. Number 1. Now let us come to second. AD square equal to C. AD square equal to AD square minus BC DM plus BC square upon bracket square. Again, see where is AD square? AB. AB is in this triangle. AMD. In triangle. AMD. In triangle AMD, you got AB square equal to AM square plus MD square. Yes or no? And MB, replace MB. MB equal to BD minus MD. That is what equal to AB square equal to AM square plus bracket BD minus MD bracket square. Okay. Now see. Open this bracket again like this only. This is only game of checking our concentration, remembering properties. It's not difficult. BD square plus MD square minus 2 times BD MD. 2 times BD MD. Now see, again same. AM square plus MD square, AD square. Look here. Again we got AD square plus BD. BD is half of BC. So I got BC upon 2 brackets. What it? Again now see 2 times BD. 2 times BD. BD is equal to half of BC. 2 times BD equal to BC minus BC MD. Yes or what it? Now see we got second part. Minus BC DM plus BC upon the brackets. Number 2. Now third is AC square plus AD square. See? So just see first and second. AD square, AC square. So add 1 and add 1 and we get AC square plus AD square. We will do directly. Okay. See, AC square plus AD square equal to AD square plus AD square 2 times AD square. Right? Then BC square, BC upon 2 bracket square plus BC upon 2 bracket square 2 times BC upon 2 bracket square. What it? Again plus BCMD minus BCMD cancel. So see now this upon 2 square is upon 4. We got it now. 2 times AD square plus 2. If it is 4, then cancel by 2. You are getting x square upon 2. And hence 2. See, you are given this second. Number 3. Like this, okay? Students, you will try to solve example number 2. Example number 3. 3, not 3 example, give me example. Example from your options. Please mark SW optional exercise. Optional exercise 6.6. Example 2. Example 4. Example 5. That's all. Try to solve this thing. Okay. Every optional exercise, first 5 examples, if there are, always practice. Compulsory. Okay. So see students, you will try optional exercise example 2, example 4, example 5. Okay. Fine. So tomorrow we are going to start new chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry. See you students, all of you.